egg, bacon, American cheese, soft, toasted, buttered roll. Just a dash of hot sauce.
Not too much, Sal.
I want to taste that cheese. What a way to start my new life. With the perfect egg sandwich.
My hands just won't.
You're a lifesaver, Sal.
I love you, baby.
And I'm good for the 75 cents, okay? I promise. It's all the money I got in the world, and it's so worth it.
I don't know if it's the stray Armenian arm hair or the fact that his cheese slices are always 6 months out of date, but no one makes an egg sandwich like Sal.
I mean it, Sal. No one.
Deeper and deeper in love with you, I'm falling. Sweeter and sweeter, your tender words of love keep calling. Eager and eager.
Gotham PD!
Yeah, I don't think so.
Are you fucking kidding me?
It had been 6 short hours since my little stun at Ace Chemicals announced to the world that Mr. J and I were donezo. The immunity I'd enjoyed for so long was gone. Cops who never would have dared come after me before were suddenly doing this. And what's worse, every person I ever wronged now felt free to come and take their pound of flesh. Turns out, I wronged a lot of people.
Finally.
And then, we're gonna get through this, okay? Tragedy struck. It took losing something I truly love for me to see that the target on my back was bigger than I thought.
Freeze!
With the walls closing in around me, I made a carefully calculated, highly strategic move. Fine. It was dumb luck, but still, that felt pretty great.